What is one very important criterion in settling whether two forms should be ranked as species or varieties?
That these two forms, though so closely related to each other, should be ranked as varieties or species, has been followed by several botanists. There's no hurry, Caesar. Is it to remain in power indefinitely? No, that is not the goal. The objective is to transform the face of the earth into a lifeless husk, to prevent the further scattering of human beings along the lines of demarcation, to make the majority a minority, and then to crush them by another minority, which will be a minority from the beginning. The dialectics of the party teach that the only victory possible is a united front against the other people.
What is the prize they saw?
Gold, said the old man. Gold, said the girl. Gold, said the man. Let us go. We've been fighting for these places for years. We've even voted. What do we do now? We've lost. No, we survived. What do we do now? We've given them.
What was the real power? The power we have to fight for night and day, not power over.
Not over the mind, over the will to live, not even over the body. All you have got to control is the mind. All you have got to control is the mind. F.O. Julian.